Y'all see it. Today, honey, we're going to be getting into this step-by-step tutorial of this cute baby perm rod set. You want to see how I did it from start to finish? Then you just keep on watching. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you how I roll my hair in perm rods. Everybody always likes this style when I have it, and they be like, how you get your hair like that? And it's just really simple. So I'm going to show you guys how I roll it, and then I'll come back after it's done and show you how it looks after. So let's just go ahead and get started with what you need. Now, I usually use a lot of bodies. I don't have any. So I'm going to be using Kinky Curly Not Today foam wrap. This is, you need mousse. And I'm also going to use the BB foam wrap lotion because it gives it a little more shine. You need some hair clips so you can clip your stuff out the way. You need a rat tail comb and a regular comb and your oil or grease of choice, okay? I'm going to be using this because you don't want to be looking dry out here, okay? You don't want to be looking dry out your baby. So, yeah. Let me just go right on ahead and get into it. How y'all doing? So the other thing that I do is I basically do this style on dry hair, basically dry hair. I do not ever, okay, like wrapping like perm rodding my hair on wet hair. I always like doing it on dry hair that's a little bit old or whatever. I just get the best results like that. When I do my hair, when I have done my hair like that in the past, it tends to be very dry, very frizzy, and I just don't like it. Okay, so I always start off this. I know they be like for naturals and all that, and I'm a natural, been natural for 9 years. It's just, I'm pressed out right now. But I know they be like water, water, water. That's not for everybody, okay? Because that's not my ministry. That water, water, water thing is not my ministry. If I'm wearing like a wash and go or something like that, okay, then that's a little bit different. But no, baby. Oh, and I forgot to show you the main daggone important thing, honey. Okay, what size you get depends on the length of your hair. I sometimes even use the really, really teeny ones because I love the curl that they gives me. It's like a little teeny ringlet. Okay, but this is a 11/16 inch and a 9/16 inch. Okay, I normally use these. I got so many of these right here, but yeah. So I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show you what I do and how I do it. Okay. So yeah, my hair is very thick, and it's getting to the point now where it's, I can't wear it straight no more because it's done. It's done data with that. Okay, it would have to be flat on over and over again, and I ain't with that. Red tail. I always like to rod it in the direction that I want it. But right now we're going to start off with 4 parts, 4 sections. Okay, don't have to be super straight or anything like that. We just want to start off with the 4 sections. Okay. And you can do this on soaking wet hair, whatever, if you want. If you got that kind of hair, I'm just saying. For me, okay, this is the method that works for me, where I have the body and the most last longest and don't be all nasty, all frizzy and stuff. Okay, so if you've had problems with your perm rod sets, try this and see, if it works out better for you. Okay. Okay, on this part right here, when I first start on my edges, I wanted to show you. That's why I slowed it down here. So you can make sure you catch them little, them little cougar buds or whatever. I always do like a 2-strand twist, so I can make sure that I catch all of those hairs in there, so it can be nice and smooth, because otherwise I won't be able to get, the little cougar bud kitchen. Okay? That's just a little tip for y'all. Another thing that I wanted to tell you guys, try to keep your perm rods going rolled in the same direction. Here I am rolling towards the front of my face, and I did that all the way around in the back, on the sides, and because it's a certain way that I want it to fall, so that's why I rolled it like that. So yeah, just make sure that you keep everything like in unison. And this is my little bang area. I wanted the front to fall in my face, so that's why I kind of parted it off like in a horseshoe part. and I am rolling it going in the opposite direction of all of the other rollers. So I'm still rolling towards the front of my face, but just from the opposite side, if that makes sense, because I want that front part to heavily fall in my face. And when I take the rods out, you'll see what I mean. Notice again right here, I am on the edges, and I'm going to start this part off as a 2-strand twist so that I can get it nice and taut, to make sure there are no flyaways, to keep it nice and smooth. Anytime you have a problem getting it right down to your root, getting it close, you can always start it off as a 2-strand twist, okay? All right, so we are finished, you guys. I don't necessarily recommend falling asleep in these because they are very uncomfortable. I am used to it, so I do like to sleep overnight because I don't like sitting under dryers, okay? So this is now the next day. I start off with putting some argan oil. You can use your favorite oil and just kind of like put that all over your hands so that as you are taking down your perm rod set, you'll get those oils onto your curls so they'll be nice and give it a nice little shine and everything. Okay? As you can see, the curls are, they're kind of tight. You can leave them like this. You don't have to unravel them. Sometimes I do leave them like this and just naturally let them fall. As days go on, they will fall more by themselves. They will start to puff up and get bigger and all of that. So I do like the effect of that. I am just taking them down and separating them very gently so they don't get frizzy for the sake of this video so that I can show you. But you really have to work with it and like do a lot of stuff to get it to the shape that you want and all that, and you'll see what I'm talking about coming up. So guys, this is the finished look. Like I said, you got to play with it to get it how you like it. It will continue to fall. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Go ahead and try your perm rod set. It's a nice little protective style. It'll last you a week or two, okay? I'm going to go ahead and get out of here. Until next time, take care of yourselves and each other. Continue to stay blessed, honey. Peace and love from your girl, D. Lavon. I'll see you in the next video.